Well, good morning to all of you. We're back over at my daughter's house. We're shopping her stash from her garage. This was a banner that she had. This is not new. This is something she had in her garage. And you're going to be seeing a lot of things that you're not going to believe that she owns and has. This is just one of many items we're sharing today. Isn't that beautiful? It's so big and beautiful. And of course it said Happy Halloween. Now we're going to share what's on the table. Keep in mind this is just a little bit of what she has. There's going to be a lot more. She got these really cute little Halloween things here at a yard sale for how much, Debbie?
The box is $7.95.
$7.95 for both of them together.
Keep in mind, this was like years ago. So.
She bought this years ago at a yard sale. These are not new, but they look super, super cute, are they not? And then, of course, look at that little kitty. I don't know if you can see him, but he's as cute as can be. Oh my gosh, look at how cute he is. Just love him. And then the Scarecrow has a whole basket of pumpkins for sale. Shouldn't say basket, the whole wheelbarrow full of pumpkins for sale. And there is the little Scarecrow, and he's even got himself a little ghost friend that's helping him sell. Isn't it cute? And then we have our little witch over here. Keep in mind, these are not new things. She's had them a long time. Her apron's up in the front a little bit because she's ready to take off for flight. And look at the little ghosts right next to her getting all excited about her taking off flying. Oh, the ghosts are so happy about this, don't they? Look wonderfully happy. I want to get the pumpkin on the other side. Just wanted to share this side of the witch. How cute she looks. And the cute little pumpkin right by her side. And the little ghost. Isn't it cute? And here's a couple more really nice things. She's got 10 of these, and you put the little tea lights in, you get at Dollar Tree that light up where they don't have a candle. And because you don't want a fire, guys. And you can line your driveway with these, and everyone will know. Each one of them was different. The faces are different. And this one says Trick or Treat, and this one says Happy Halloween. But all 10 are different, so they're not the same. So we'll take a picture of this at night, probably sometime next month. I don't know, August or September, we'll see. And then we have this that she's never used either. This is a door decoration of a witch, and it all lights up. Can't wait to see the face look all scary.
And it has a spooky sound, so it's motion activated, so anybody coming to the door is going to cause it to go off. And I'll show you what you could see in the plastic. I thought I had used it, but the packaging is still intact, so I guess I didn't use it.
Yeah, another thing that she bought was going to be brand new this year, but she's had it for several years. Yeah, so. We know. Mom's here to make her use the stuff now. And here's another thing that she bought in the past. These are hand towels for the bathroom. Kitchen. Well, whatever. I'd use them for the bathroom to make it look Halloween-y.
Okay.
And this one says Trick or Treat. And look at the beautiful black and orange. And I love the polka dots. And she got this on sale for $2. And there's 2 kitchen towels. So you can't beat that. And this little guy lights up also. Can't wait to see it light up. We're going to see it lit up sometime in another month, right?
Yeah, once I put all the decorations out. Remove all the packaging. Like Mom says, you got to use your items that you have purchased.
So we're going to really have a lot to share. And we're going to have the driveway all lit up. It's going to be fabulous. Where are you going to put your, oh, whatever you call that thing there, that long thing. That thing. What do you call that?
I'm not, it's, oh my gosh, I've lost my train of thought. I don't know. I'm not sure where we're going to hang it because it's pretty long.
Yeah.
And I already have something for the door, so you can't.
Well,
put
it
on
wouldn't
the door.
fit on the door. It's too long. Well, we already have our little witch's hat. It's going to make noises. I can't wait for that. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Here's some more of my daughter's Halloween stash. As you can see, this girl really has a lot of stuff. And this is not all of it. This was a Halloween bag she's had for years, but she loved it so much she saved it, and she puts it by her front door to scare all the little Halloween goblins that come by for candy. And here's another piece that usually goes outside. And then this lights up, and that's also another outside item.
I can hold them up so you can see them better. So when he's hanging,
He's blowing in the wind.
turn him. I turn him a little too fast.
Does he light up, make noises or anything?
No.
He needs to have his eyes light up and get scaring.
Oh my gosh.
Is Grandma getting in the spirit of Halloween?
I think so.
And then here, enter if you dare. Oh my gosh. Do the kids get scared? Do those green eyes light up by any chance?
I believe it has a, yeah, but it probably doesn't.
Work anymore?
Yeah, it needs a new battery.
Well, we'll try to get a new battery before.
Yeah, but I think the eyes light up.
Yeah, another thing. Maybe blinking lights even seem scarier. And then, of course, we have this wonderful skeleton that she's got. That thing is huge. How tall is he? 6 feet?
And he's 60 inches.
60 inches.
So
That's,
he's 5 feet.
oh, he looks taller than 5 feet, but I'll take your word. He's 5 feet. He's a shorty. But I'm sure the kids love seeing him too, don't they?
Yep. And so I used him in my Pirates of Caribbean display that I did. And unfortunately, I don't have any pictures of that, but my husband has agreed to help me recreate
Oh.
for this Halloween. So stay tuned to see how that turns out, you guys.
If not this year, for sure next year. But we're hoped for this year. And then our other little sign, and those eyes light up too, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll have to get some more batteries. Rest in peace. Can you imagine those glowing red eyes? Ooh, that sounds scary to me too. Well, I hope you enjoyed shopping my daughter's garage stash today.
We got one more episode.
We have another episode, so be prepared to come back.